Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can create an account on your Ring app or how you can sign up for Ring app. In order to create a Ring app account, first thing you need to open up your Play Store and then on the search box type in Ring app. After that, you'll be taken to multiple options. So then you need to click on this first one, that is Ring, and then click on install. After done installing the application, click on open and you'll be taken to the sign up or login interface. So as you can see right at the bottom, you have two different options, that is create account and login. If you already have an account, then you need to click on login and enter in your login credential in order to log in into your account. But then if you don't have an account, then click on create account and then you'll be taken to the enrollment page where you need to provide in your personal information. So first thing you need to provide is your first name and the last name. After you're done entering your information, click on continue and then you need to provide in your country of your resident. And for the contact information, you'll need to provide in your email address, and also for the confirmation you need to type in twice and then you'll be taken to the page where you need to create a password. Once again, in order to confirm, you need to retype in your password. Once you're done entering your password, click on create account, which is right at the bottom. You need to verify accounts, so a confirmation email has been sent. So as you can see right on top, I've received an email. So then click on the email and after that click on verify now. So once you've done that, you'll be taken to the web page where you'll be asked to log in once again. So click on the login button and enter in the email address that you recently verified. You'll also be asked to enter in your password. So once again, a verification code will be sent to an email. So you need to open up your email in order to check the verification code. So as you can see, this is the verification code. Now I'll need to copy this verification code and then paste it on the other page. After you're done with all of these processes, you need to head back to the application once again. Now you need to set up a device. So then select the item accordingly and click on I'm ready to scan. So once you do this, you need to scan the QR code that might be located on the item, and after that you've successfully set up your device. And after that, you've successfully signed up or created an account on your Ring app where you can create or open Ring app account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching.